Welcome back. We are currently printing off a camera housing for a tripod that sits 20 feet up in the air. This is mainly just to protect the camera from rain. So far, we are about 50% done. This is the test print, so it is printed out of PLA. And as you can tell, we had some extrusion issues on the bottom. I cranked up the flow well beyond what the extrusion gears could handle. And once we got it back down, as you can tell, for the most part, it was smooth. Here in a couple hours, it'll be done. We'll do a test fit and see how it goes. Stay tuned for more.